Hello and welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm teaching my way through the top 40 and I am now on song number 29, which is Who by Jimin. If you look up the song and you click on the first one on Google, you'll get Ultimate Guitar, as you often will with every song. But this one, the key is wrong. They've got it in A minor. Kind of frustrating, right? Then you have to try and transpose it, but unless you pay for it, you can't. And there's only this one, and then you check other websites and they're all wrong as well, or they require you to disable your ad blocker, and then you just want to pull your hair out. So you work it out yourself if you have a music degree or you just know your way around a piano or a guitar. Anyway, you're here to learn the song. Enough ranting. Let's learn the song. It's not in A minor, it's in C. I'll just transpose it in real time for you like I just did. So when it says A minor, it's actually C minor. We never met but she's... Now we go up to F minor, the 4. Always, all I see at night. B flat. Never met but she's E flat. Always on B flat, C minor. Mine. Wanna give her the world and so much. B flat more. Who is my heart waiting for? That B flat there. Who is my... is G over B. So when it says G over B, it fits B flat over D because it's the chord slash chord over the third in the chord. So B flat, D, F over D. So that one again. Who is my heart waiting for? You see it becomes a stepwise downwards bass movement. Okay, we never met but she's all I see at night. That's how the song starts, with a chorus. And then we go to verse 1. C minor again. If every day I think about her. B flat. Yeah, every day of my life. Sorry, A flat first. Yeah, every day of my life. This is the verse. Then tell me why I haven't found her. Why? Let's do that verse 1 again. If every day I think about her. C minor, A flat, B flat. Yeah, every day of my life. Okay, C minor, A flat, B flat. Then tell me why I haven't found her. A, Y. Pre-chorus, okay. So many people see so many people to see. Okay, it's starting on A flat. So many people to see, and places to go. Oh, so many places to go. A flat, over A flat in the bass, please. And then B flat, we still haven't found hello. Now we chorus. We never met but she's F minor, all I see at night. Never met but she's always on my mind. Don't forget that downwards bass movement. Wanna give her the world and so much more. But who is my heart waiting for? Okay, waiting for verse 2. C minor. I'll take her places, they ain't found yet. I'll put it all on the line. And then C minor. I'll be that someone, A flat, she can count on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go to the pre-chorus again, which is A flat. So many people to see, A flat, B flat, and places to go. And then A flat, we still haven't found hello. Chorus again. We never met but she's always on my mind. She's all I see at night. Never met but she's always on my mind. Wanna give her the world and so much. F minor to B flat more. Who is my heart waiting for? C minor. Who is my heart waiting for? Okay, is she someone I see every day? Is she someone I see every day? Is she somewhere 1,000 miles away? Wanna give her the world and so much more. Who is my heart waiting for? Okay, bridge. A minor to F for you is C minor to A flat. Who is my heart? Who is my heart? Who is my heart waiting for? Who is my heart? Who is my heart waiting for? F again, which is A flat. Who is my heart waiting for? Who is my heart waiting for? Again and again and again. Bridge, bridge, bridge. Chorus, chorus, chorus. C minor. We never met, but she's all I see at night. Never met, but she's always on my mind. Wanna give her the world and oops, F minor. Wanna give her the world and so much more. Who is my heart waiting for? Is she someone I see every day? Is she somewhere 1,000 miles away? Wanna give her the world and so much more. But who is my heart waiting for? And that is that. It's in C minor. Jimin. Who by Jimin. That was song 29. Thanks for watching Between the Keys. If you liked the video, please press like and click subscribe. And check out the next one, which is going to be song number 30, Lose Control by Teddy Swims. I remember that one. I lose control. Let's check it out and see what the chords are. So stay tuned for that one. See you in the next one on Between the Keys.